If you're like me and don't have running water in your workshop, then stick around and check out my cheap, easy DIY solution that solves the problem. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of DP Shop Talk. And today we're going to be taking a look at a quick, easy, inexpensive way to add running water to your workshop with no plumbing required. Now, I was fortunate enough in the last shop to have running water in the original DP Shop Talk shop, but here in the new shop, I don't. Now, 2 shops ago, I didn't have running water either, and that's where I came up with this solution. So let's take a look at how it works and how I use it. So as you can see, it's a very simple, inexpensive setup. It's just a water container with a built-in tap, a dish pan underneath to catch everything, and then a simple shop-made plywood box. Now the box construction couldn't be simpler. It's just 4 sides made out of 1/2-inch plywood and screwed together at the corners with butt joints. Now the top is a piece of 5/8 plywood, and it just gets screwed down to the box. Now the only thing special about the top is it extends past the front of the box by 3 inches. So this gives full support to the length of the water container, but also lets you get in underneath and behind the tap like you would in a regular sink, so it gives you some working room there. Now if the front of the box came straight down at the front of the top here, you wouldn't have that working space. So that allows that extra space for the dish pan to get in underneath of it and give you some full working room. Now the capacity of the water container is 20 liters, and then it just turns on and off with the tap in the front. And then obviously the dish pan catches everything. Now I'll put some links for you guys down in the video description below, both for the water container and for the dish pans. You can easily find those, and I'll also include the dimensions there for the plywood box. So I'll quickly go through how I use this setup here in the shop. So the most common things I use it for are washing my hands, rinsing off tools after I sharpen them with my water stones, cleaning out brushes, or rinsing off saw blades after I clean them. Now, most things that you can use a utility sink for, you can use this setup right in your shop. Now, I usually store it between my sharpening station and the end of my cabinets, just so it's out of the way when it's not in use. Now, if I'm using it really quickly, I'll use it right there since it's convenient. Or if I'm going to be using it for a few different things, then I'll pull it up here on the countertop so it's a nice, comfortable working height. Now, when I'm not using it, I usually store the water container in the upright position just so there's no chance of any leaks. And then I'll take the dish pan and turn it upside down on top for storage, just so it's a nice, compact footprint. So that's a quick look at my inexpensive solution for adding running water to your workshop. So I find that the 20-liter capacity usually lasts for quite a while depending on what I'm working on, so I just fill that up at the house and then bring it out to the shop. And then the dish pan, I just empty that outside as it starts to get full. So no, it's not going to replace a proper utility sink with full running water, but at a tiny fraction of the cost of setting something like that up, I find that it serves the vast majority of my shop needs. So it's a very economical solution. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's always very much appreciated when you do. As always, make sure you leave your ideas, thoughts, and questions down in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and until next time, let's talk shop.